Hello everybody, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tahina and on here we do hauls, Temu hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, 500, anything like that. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe, and today I have a Temu haul for you. I don't think it's a big haul, it's maybe a medium haul, but yeah, I don't really remember what I got. Like, I remember some stuff, but some stuff I don't remember. These packages have been sitting here for a minute. Okay, so in this little package, what is in here? In this little package. Oh, okay. I remember what's in here. Okay, this is from a local warehouse, and this is from my fiance. I seen this t-shirt, and I was like, I have to get it because this is his favorite game. So I had to get it. But the plastic, you don't like the vinyl, feels plasticky. But I don't care, he's still gonna like it though. But yeah, this is Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. I thought he'd love it. So yeah. And let's see, the material is 100% cotton. Okay. It's just the vinyl that's kind of cheapy, but hopefully it'll last long. So yeah. So he'll like that. He'll probably wear that today. Well, it depends, because like it depends if it's like tight on him. He won't. He'll wait until he loses a little more weight to wear it. But if it's like loose enough on him, he'll wear it. Okay. So, let's see. First thing. Oh. Hold on. Okay. The bag's broken. Okay. But I got, lately, at least for me, lately they've been having deals where like you could get 3 items for $10, and I thought that was cool, and I picked the 3 items. I didn't end up getting the 3 items, I just ended up getting these, which are blush sticks. I will tell you, if you put the 3 items in your cart for the $10 or whatever, you don't have to necessarily purchase all 3 of them. Like, say you put the 3 items in there and you're like, I don't really want this one, but I want these 2. You can purchase those 2 for the $3.33 and still get your deal. You don't have to buy all 3 if you don't want to. If you like all 3, it's fine. But I think that's what happened with me. After I put them in there, I was like, well, I don't really need that. I don't need that. But I wanted these blush sticks, so I bought those. I bought these. But the only thing you gotta watch out for that, because they have like dollar earrings in there. So you have to watch out what you're picking. Because I think that's why they do that. So they can kind of like gyp you on some of the items. Like, because there were some items that were in my cart, and I'm like, that is not worth $3.33. That is in my cart for like $1.25. You know, so you gotta watch out for that. And somebody did ask me to do a video for the games. One of the games, the coffee treat, is no longer, I think they got rid of it because I can't even find it. But the Fishland and the Farmland, I will do a video on. I've been going through some stuff the last couple of months, and I'm behind on those videos. But I will put a video up on how to play the games and, you know, how to get the free items and stuff. Okay, so the numbers are 1, 2, and 3. I don't think they have real name, you know, for the colors. Let me see. They might. Here, let me open them. Okay, let's start with 1. Here's 1. Okay, so this is 1. It might say it on here. There's no color name. This is the first one. It's like a mauve color. Okay. And then the second one is like a light brownish color for like a darker tone. Oh, but it's coming out lighter though. It's coming out more pink for that one. And then 3 is like a darker color, I think. Looks like, yeah, it's darker. This is for like darker tones. These are the 3 colors. And they're blendable. But not blendable to like go away or whatever. Because I have some cream blush where like if you try to swirl it around too much, it'll just disappear. So, okay, so that's good. I'm glad I got those. Okay, next up, what is this? What is this? I know it's for me because it's got cheetah on it. What is this? Is this a top? I don't know. Oh, duh. These are leggings. Okay. Yeah, I saw these and I thought these were cute. They had the cheetah on the side. And they do have a pocket right here. And a pocket right here too. And let's see what it says. 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Okay. Which is cool. They feel like, leggings. Well, I don't know, because I have leggings. They feel like, kind of like the scuba diving, but plasticky. Like, it's hard to say, but you could feel the spandex, though. You know what I mean? Because I have leggings that don't feel like this material, though. Okay, so that's cool. I might actually bring this on my trip. So I'll put that right there. Next up, what is this? Oh, okay. Now this shirt I have had in my cart as well. I thought it was cute. I believe I got this one for free. The Temu Circle freebie, I think it was. And it says the shirt is not like plasticky or anything. The shirt is nice. And it says, I fully intend to haunt people when I die. I have a list. I thought that was cute. I've already told people, I'm like, if you start doing bad when I go, I'm going to be haunting your ass. So as soon as I seen this shirt, I was like, I have to have this shirt. I don't see a tag that has the material. Oh, here it is. Okay. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. I definitely like this t-shirt. I'm probably bringing this up too. I forgot I even had that. Okay, next up. Oh, okay, some shoes. I did get some shoes for, if you see my last Temu haul, I got a cheetah dress. And I got these shoes to go with them. With the dress. I'm not going to lie, these feel like plasticky. I will have prices up here. Or up here. Yeah, these feel really cheap. But that's fine. And like this is like plastic. The bottom. But, I don't know, they're cute. I'll still wear them. I'll still wear them. Yeah, these are really cheap. I wouldn't spend the $10. 5 maybe, or I'd rather try to get this as a freebie. But I'll use them. They probably won't last more than one time. Okay, next up. Oh, I think these are more leggings. Yeah. I thought these were cute. So I grabbed these. Let's see what these are. Same thing. Was the other one spandex? 95% polyester, 5% elastane. Is this one? I think the other one was spandex. I could be wrong, but yeah, I thought these were cute. So I might take these. Next up, this was a freebie too. It's a heart ring. I believe I got big in there. No, I did not. What size is it? What size was that? Oh, it's size 9. Why did I get a 9? I keep thinking about that. I'm like, why did I get a 9? Well, it's going to go on my thumb now. I don't know why I got a 9. Hold on. Let me take this one off. Well, it fits on here. So, that's cool. Okay. I'll put this one on my thumb. Okay. Next up, I got another phone charm for my new case that I got. I changed my case and I wanted a phone charm that went with my case, which this will definitely go with it because it's got gold and black in it. So I'll definitely use that. Next up, this is the top. We'll have to see about this one because I don't know if we got it in this size, but yeah, I thought it was cute, and it comes with like a little belt. It don't feel plasticky, but like, you know, it's kind of that like shiny material. Let's see what the tag says. Tag says 100% polyester. Okay, that's probably why it feels like that. But it's nice and heavy. I'll have to try this on because I don't remember picking this size. Because you have to watch out for that. Because sometimes if they don't have the size that you ordered, they'll just send you a different size. Which kind of sucks because it's like, it's not going to fit. Like, I think one time I got a ring, I asked for like a size 9 or something, and they gave me a size 7 or something. I'm like, how am I going to fit that? You know? Next up, I did get this glitter scooper. I seen it and it's a lot better than mine. I don't know if you can see that, but like it has like little tiny squares in here. Because with my scooper, it has like long gashes on it, and like some of the smaller poops, or whatever go through the dashes, so I thought this would be better and I could get all the poops, you know. So I'm definitely going to use that. I'm probably going to throw the other one away. Is this the last one? Yeah. And the last item are these eyeliners. You get, it's a 12-pack of eyeliners. They're small. They look like this. Pink 21 black eyeliners. And because I need black eyeliners. I don't have any black eyeliners. Like I mean I do. I have the brush black eyeliners, but I like the pencil ones, to be honest. I don't really like the brush ones because they get all over the place. But I definitely wanted to get these. And that's everything in this Temu haul. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.